What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be talking about how to spot some of these rock pool that actually look like a good project, so you can actually stay away from this kind of project that is gonna rock you. So as you can see, we have this Memecoin Memecoin just launched about 4 hours ago, and if you actually see a lot of data about this project is actually like check all the boss, but a single thing that if you refuse to check is gonna make you lose all your money, because from this project alone we can spot that the dev actually manipulate the data to actually have over 33% of the total supply, which can eventually dump it on you guys. So I'm gonna be showing you how I actually spot this. So as you can see, we have a lot of data to work on right here, and as you can see, we have the sniper, which is 64 of 70 when I click it. And as you can see, we have a lot of holder. As you can see, the green is holder, and this is also new buyers, and this one right here means that they've actually bought it and transfer into new wallet, and we have 3 of it. And also this one right here, which is a circle, simply means that those that bought have sell all, and the little circle right means that they snipe it when they want to buy it, and all of these data right here. So as you can see, this project actually check a lot of bosses, and you can see blue chip holder as well. They are not much, but at least they are still in there. So as you can see, we have the top 10 holder actually hold 50%, which is pretty bad for this kind of new project to run. As you can see, we have the save. It's actually check everything logged, liquidity logged, renounced, and verified as well. The contract is also verified and is not a unimport, which is what most of us actually look for when we want to buy. That is not an unimport that we can actually buy and resell. So as you can see, this project actually check all the bosses, but there's a little thing that you need to check so you can actually spot this dev actually manipulating data to actually pull the project in the future. So as you can see, this data right here is not going to be giving you a lot of information. You can see the coin actually pumping. A lot of people that doesn't have the knowledge about this actually pouring their money into this kind of project, which is likely going to rock pool in anytime soon. So as you can see right here, so you are not going to be using a single software or a single data to analyze, because you want to make sure that you get the right information. So you have to incorporate some of the data into third party. So I'm going to be showing you what I did to actually spot this. So as you can see, I'm going to copy this contract address right here, and I'm going to go to the token sniper, and I'm going to copy and paste this contract address into the token sniper, and I'm going to be clicking on confirm to actually spot this data. So as you can see, a lot of this data right here is still the same thing that we are actually seeing right here, but there is a little thing that you need to check. So I'm going to click on the bubble map right here, and as you can see, this is where the thing gets weird. As you can see, this wallet right here, which is the dev wallet, is actually like rolling like 10% of the total supply into 3 wallets, which is a fresh wallet to actually distribute the supply, so you can not able to spot it on just a single software, whether you are using the desk screener or whatever software or Bullets. You are not going to be spotting these. Are the dev actually use this because it's actually create a fresh wallet to actually manipulate it. And as you can see, the red right here shows that it actually burn it into the dead wallet. And as you can see, we have one green, which is on the exchange liquidity right here, as you can see. So if we actually only rely on this one right here, we are not going to be seeing that this dev has actually manipulated this data and have a lot of distribution into his own wallet that he can eventually rock it on you guys. As you can see, 10% of the total supply, and another 10%, and another 10%, and in the main wallet of the dev it actually have 3.7%. That's crazy, and this project is just a red flag. So stay away from this kind of project. And if you want to see more video about how I analyze all of these projects to stay away from all of this rock pool and have a better chance to hit the 100x, so make sure to follow me on X and also on YouTube, where I give a lot of analysis on all of this Memecoin, so you can have the best play. So stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.